Distinguished Professor and Director of Africa Research Center at Xiamen University, a founder of Afrospectives. And you may also know him from his outstanding work on the general history of Africa, which also made Augustin a TV documentary star. So Augustin, I turn the program over to you.
So the presenters to this session are supposed to guide us in the exploration of samples of cultural governance experiences from different parts of Africa and the global Africa world, meaning the diaspora. These explorations are geared to feature three core dimensions as questions, specifically, in what specific context and at what levels are these traditional African and African diaspora systems of governance applied? Second, what are the main results and lessons to be learned from these experiences? And third, what are the various limitations and the challenges met in these experiences? We hope to learn from our speakers this evening along these three major lines. So accordingly, two core questions are expected to be addressed in this session of the webinar. What are the deepest and most significant elements of these examples and experiences have in common? What are the most significant differences? Second, what are the most important challenges and accomplishments? So these are the questions our guest, our presenter will have to deal with. And I will start with introducing Professor Larissa Oliveira Igbara, who is our first speaker of the session this afternoon. Professor at St. Brazil, which is the Universidade da Integração Internacional de Lusofonia Afro-Brasileira. Her presentation is entitled Congo Experience in Brazil. So without further ado, I give the microphone to Professor Larissa Oliveira Igbara. It is to you, Larissa.